How to remove search restrictions on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Now, scroll and tap on the Screen Time option. You can view your daily average usage and also set limits from here. Here, scroll down to the Restrictions section at the bottom and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. On this page, you can manage content, apps, and various settings. Now, tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games. Here, scroll down to find the Web Content section and tap on Web Content. To remove all search restrictions, select Unrestricted at the top. This will allow you to access all websites without any limitations. Following these steps, you can easily remove search restrictions on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.